In Roanoke, Virginia today, Enten Eller stood before a court and said he stood by his convictions. War is sinful. Enten Eller was then convicted by a judge. Fred Graham has the story of the first young man to go on trial for failure to comply with the nation's new draft registration law.
Enten Eller is a student at a rural religious college and a member of the Pacifist Church of the Brethren, and his trial took on the tenor of a religious meeting. The trial was swift because Eller waived a jury, admitted refusing to register, and would not let his lawyers raise any defenses except that he was following his beliefs and thus had no criminal intent. He called to the stand his father, a theology professor who said Church of the Brethren members had traditionally been conscientious objectors, but that refusing to even register for the draft is something new. Eller's own testimony was simple: I'm here because I'm obeying God. I must obey God before the state. The prosecutor argued that 8 million young men had registered and Eller should do the same. He could claim conscientious objector status later if there's ever a draft. Judge James Turk agreed and found Eller guilty, but gave him 3 years probation and required that he register within 90 days or face the possibility of going to prison.
Are you going to register during this 90-day period?
I think I made that clear to the judge beforehand.
And what's the answer?
I don't plan on it.
Over the coming weeks, other non-registrants will be brought to trial and some prison sentences may result. But in the meantime, it seems doubtful that this first trial will do much to frighten other unregistered young men into signing up. Fred Graham, CBS News, Roanoke, Virginia.